Did you know that 1 out of 12 adults suffer from alcohol dependence? Or that 10 people die every hour from alcohol-related causes? There are over 17.5 million adult alcoholics worldwide. By learning about why some people become alcoholics, what causes addiction, and why people become addicted, this number can be made smaller. Firstly, an alcoholic is someone who suffers from alcoholism. Alcoholism is the addiction to and loss of control regarding alcohol consumption. Alcohol is classified as a drug, but why is it addictive? It actually has to do with the chemical reactions in the brain that alcohol causes. The release of gamma-aminobutyric acid, otherwise known as GABA, causes a calming feeling that is often associated with difficulty walking, talking, and remembering things. As a response to the release of GABA, the body creates glutamate, an excitatory transmitter, to counterbalance it. This cycle causes built-up alcohol tolerance, causing regular drinkers to consume more alcohol for the calming effect they are seeking. Additionally, alcohol causes the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure. But, over time, alcohol abuse degrades dopamine transmitters and receptors, causing a decrease in the dopamine released. One may drink more to try to get the same effects as before the alcohol abuse began. Some people are more susceptible to alcoholism. After all, not everybody that tastes alcohol becomes addicted to it, but what are some of the potential risk factors that make addiction more likely? Although alcohol causes the release of endorphins, hormones that cause happiness, in any case, it has been shown that heavy drinkers generally release more endorphins than lighter drinkers, causing some scientists to believe that people who naturally release more endorphins may find more pleasure in drinking and become addicted to it. There is also evidence to prove that damage to the lateral habenula, a part of the brain that processes negative events and disappointment, can cause someone to keep drinking alcohol despite bad hangovers or other negative events that arise out of drinking. Psychological disorders such as bipolar disorder and schizophrenia increase the likelihood of addiction, as 20% of people living with depression are also alcoholics. It has long been debated whether or not genetic factors play a role in addiction, but it has been discovered that over 51 genes cause and change how alcohol is processed in the body, from how it is broken down to the gravitation of an individual towards risky behaviors. Environmental factors are likely to change addiction. If it is common to drink in a household, then it is more likely that people in the household would become addicted to alcohol. More wealth allows for more access to alcoholic beverages, as well as participating in a high-stress career field. Age has to do with the likelihood of addiction as well. Those in their early to mid-20s are the most likely to drink and abuse alcohol, while those who drink as adolescents, specifically those under 15 years old, are significantly more likely to develop alcoholism. While certain factors cause alcohol addiction, it is important to look at why people drink in the first place. One significant reason, as mentioned before, is the sensations alcohol can cause. Some drink out of curiosity as to find out what it is like, while others find themselves giving in to peer pressure. People drink seeking a feeling of freedom or for self-exploration, and this is linked to underage drinking during puberty. Some start to drink as a form of stress relief. There are some personality traits associated with drinkers and possible alcoholics, such as aggression, being anxious, rebelliousness, and hyperactivity. Most of all, compared to other drugs, alcohol is accessible and has been normalized through the media. While alcohol is painted as being an escape, there are certainly better ways to cope with situations or have fun that do not potentially cause a lifetime of addiction and damage. Awareness surrounding alcohol is the first step to living a higher quality and more healthy life.